maybe it's not. So yeah, hi everyone, and I hope the quarantine or self-isolation or whatever enforcement is upon you in these strange times is not hitting you too badly. Uh, yeah, it's my 6th week at home now, I believe. So yeah, it's quite interesting. I've never experienced anything like that before. Yeah, so we're gonna have a talk about how to plan things for your racing, and then we'll also have some time for a chat about everything DeepRacer and to answer all your questions. And yeah, that's about it. So maybe let's just get started. You see, I've actually checked today, and in 10 days it will have been exactly 1 year since I trained my first model after reInvent 2018. And this was when I decided that I had to prepare for the AWS Summit in London, which happened on the 8th of May. Uh, it's all fun, but then also it's worth knowing that there are some rewards over there, and it might make sense to think how to prepare yourself. But yeah, before we go any further, a bit about me. So yeah, I'm Tomasz Ptak, and I'm a senior software engineer at Open Market, which is a company providing messaging solutions to companies who want to communicate with their customers at a scale. We're pretty global, and yeah, sending about some billions messages every month. I'm also an AWS machine learning hero, nominated or announced in March, and one of the AWS DeepRacer community leaders. I've raced in last season. I've won one of the virtual races and also was third in London. And also I took part in the finals in Vegas during the reInvent 2019. Apart from that, I'm a hobbyist baker. Actually, I've got some bread in my oven at the moment, so I might have an alarm clock to pick it up and take it out of the oven at some point. And I like blogging. Yeah, I just like writing about things, so whenever I have a chance, I try to. So I've got quite a few of those over here. Uh, right, so in terms of planning your race, there is more than one way to do it. So if you've come here to just find instructions like do this, do that, you might come disappointed out of it. Uh, but I think it should be helpful anyway because I will not be providing any specific actions, but at the same time, I will say what is worth focusing on when you want to race. And yeah, we can have more chats afterwards. If you've got any questions, I will answer